Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Jason and for today I would like to show you a very beautiful plant here. This plant is called the Philodendron Gloriosum. White vein type, white vein form, white vein addition, whatever you want to call it. This type of Philodendron Gloriosum is very limited. It's very rare and I can see why, because a lot of plant collectors like to collect this. It's not your ordinary Gloriosum. The leaves are different. They're very big. They look like anthuriums, like how should I say, Anthurium Regal over here. The veins are very prominent. You can see multi-veins, doubled vein, and here and there's line. It's just gorgeous. This plant is so expensive as of now. It costs like around $1,000 for a small plant. Yes, and this is the cutting. Remember, always save the nodes. That green button like there over there, that's the node. You do not want to cut that. You should leave some space for that. That will be your new growing leaf, new growing plant. And this, same for this one too. Always leave a node between each cutting. And this is the veins. That's why it's called white vein, because it's doubled, it's multi-vein, and this is just a wonderful plant. I hope you like it, and if you like what you saw, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. By the way, this is Anthurium Regal. It looks a lot similar like Philodendron Gloriosum white vein. That's why it's really pretty. And here are other pictures of Philodendron Gloriosum white vein. Please enjoy some of them. It's really pretty. And you have to buy them fast because they're so expensive. And if you like what you saw again, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more plant thingies and videos.